Welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I'm back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of Mysql series, I have discussed about ASCII string function. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I will be discussing about char and char length function. So without any further delay, let's get started. The char function is primarily used to convert an integer value, usually from 0 to 255, into its corresponding single byte character. Syntax: char within bracket integer expression. Usage: it is often used to insert control characters such as tabs, char within bracket 9, line fades, char within bracket 10, or carriage returns, char within bracket 13 into a string. Let's understand this with some examples. Convert a single integer into a string. So the query will be select char within bracket 65 as the integer value, which gives string character caps A. Next query is query to convert a sequence of integers into a string. So the query will be select char within bracket 61 to 67. Which will give you the following string character. If you pass an empty string as a parameter, the function returns an empty character. Select char within bracket empty string, which returns a empty character. We can specify the character set for the result using the using clause. For example, we convert the hexadecimal value 75 to a character using the UTF-8 character set. So the query will be select char within bracket x within single inverted commas 75 using UTF-8. Here, x is the prefix for a hex string in Mysql. X is to interpret 75 as hexadecimal value. Hex 75 equals to decimal 117. ASCII character 117 equals to U. So here the result will be U. We can also use the char function to convert numerical codes stored in a table into characters. Let us create a table named student result and insert records into it. To retrieve the characters, corresponding to the grade values using the UTF-8 character set, you can use the char function as follows. Select asterisk, comma, char within bracket grade using UTF-8 from student result. After executing this code, we get the following output. Let's move to another string function, that is char length function. The Mysql char length function is a string function that is used to find the number of characters in a given string or text value. This function accepts a string value as a parameter and returns the length of the given value in characters. This function is similar to the length function, but it is used specifically for counting the number of characters in a string, whereas length counts the number of bytes. Syntax of Mysql char length function is char length within bracket string. Let us understand this with some examples. Find the number of characters in the string mathematics. We are using the char length to find the number of characters in the string mathematics. So the query will be select char length within bracket mathematics. That gives an output as 11. If we pass a numerical value as a parameter, the char length function counts the number of digits in the value and returns it as a result. So, select char length within bracket 225, that gives the output 3. If we pass a null value as a parameter, the char length function returns null. So the query will be select char length within bracket null, that gives an output as null. We can also use the char length function with column names in a table to retrieve the length of values in a specific column. Here we will be using same table student result under modern high school database. Query to retrieve the length of the name of students from the student result table. Select name, comma, char length within bracket name from student's result. After executing this code, we will get the following output. That's all for today. We'll discuss rest of the string function one by one in my upcoming videos. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.